Yes, very good evening, everybody. Stop loss of the trade house 256. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to review the two pairs of last week in one. So, right now, I hope you guys took this trade of DJ. Those who took DJ, yes. Just I want to, yeah, clap for yourselves. Those who took DJ and managed to get onto this trade. Uh, I think you did manage to get something out of it. So let's just review this trade. Let me just get everything out of this trade. So I remember, I think we are around this area. Okay, we are around this area of structure. Let me see. Where? We are around this area when I gave that trade, and I say that I was looking forward for a retrace. Okay, a push to the upside to do give us a retest of this area of structure before actually that trade pushing down. Okay, so remember on a higher time frame like weekly chart, we had the trend line whereby the market had given us a strong rejection. Let me give you a trend line which we had here. I think it's what you saw before me actually putting up that so we had that trend line which was rejected, and now on a smaller time frame we are looking forward for that push there down upside to give us to test the trend line, because we had already created an impulse, okay, creating a new low. So this push to the upside here was the correction, and then now we're looking forward for that continuation. So I again also drew a fib, say that we're looking for our markets to actually to gravitate towards our negative 61.8 as our target zone. So let's see how this market played out. Okay, yeah, I got into it. I did enjoy GJ. Okay, so yeah, we should be able to review our trades. Okay, we should be able to review our trades. You can see how the market was playing out. I said we would first make that push to the upside, which we did. You can see how the market made that push to the upside, and then we'll make that other continuous push to the downside. So yeah, a negative 61.8 was hit, which is our target zone. So congratulations to those who actually who got into this trade. So another trade that I want to look at was Euro GBP. If you're doubting what I'm saying, or if you're doubting my analysis, please look at my previous channels. I do these things in real time. So today it's the market when today is weekend, the markets are off. That's when I do make my analysis for the entire week. So uh, Euro GBP, we're also reviewing this one. The markups are still there. Yeah, markups are still there. Okay. Yeah, the markups are still there. So even with this trade, as said, we needed to make that correction to the downside. Let me just reduce everything and I show you where we were at the market. So I remember we had first said we had this strong impulsive push to the down upside. Then we made this correction, okay, to test this area of structure here, which was a previous resistance, now broke that support. So we're looking forward now to this market giving us that push to the upside. I do remember when I drew my fib negative 61.8, I said that I was looking forward for this market pushing a little bit lower, which it did. Touched our negative 61.8 and gave us that short to the upside. So I think when I gave that trade setup around here, Monday, Sunday around here, let me just show you how the market played out. We were around there, around here, when I gave that trade setup. I said we're looking forward for that push to the upside, since the market had already given us this strong minus impulsive push. So let's just see how the market plays out. Yeah, Friday was crazy. Friday was crazy. Actually, it did go. The move started playing out on Thursday through Friday. So we had it. The market came back, gave us that retest again of the negative 61.8 with that push. You can see it, which is here. Then give us that continuation to the upside. So I'm looking forward for this is what I'm looking forward to. I'm looking towards this market gravitating towards a negative 61.8 before we can come up with any other decision. So yeah, that is it. Hope you guys, those who took this trade, hope you enjoyed it. So I'll keep doing this. See you in the next one. Happy trading.